peace. Today we are going to do a meditation. I get up every morning and I try to do a 20-minute meditation. So every time I get up, I will do the last 10 minutes with you guys. And you can follow along. Feel free to sit in a comfortable position. You don't have to sit crisscross if it's not comfortable for you. Just sit in a very comfortable position, and we're just going to do like 30 through your nose, breathe out on this nostril, and then you breathe in through this nostril and breathe out through that nostril. We're going to do 30 of those, and then after we're done with that, we're just going to visualize what you want your day to look like or what you want your future to look like. And feel free, if you have any requests, comment below. As long as more people meditate throughout the day, we will focus on who needs to heal. So if you have some type of disease or cancer or anything, comment below and we will send healing motion your way. So enjoy this meditation. So we're going to start out doing a breathing exercise. We are going to do 30 of the breathing exercises I showed you in the beginning. So you can go as fast as you want or as slow as you want, but I will assist you with this. So breathe in, then breathe out in the other nostril. Breathe in, then breathe out. 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 Breathe in, full belly breaths. Then breathe out. Breathe in, 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 then breathe out. Make sure you're doing full belly breaths and exhale fully. Breathe in, then breathe out. Breathe in, then breathe out. Breathe in, then breathe out. And as you breathe out, just relax, relax, and focus on your heart space. Think about everything that you are thankful for. Think of anything that makes you happy and be thankful for whatever you are thinking about. And just let's sit in this thankfulness energy. And make sure you're still breathing deep belly breaths. And let's just be thankful for this moment. Now, as you sit there in a thankful state, let's visualize what you want to see yourself doing in the future, or who you want to see yourself be. Visualize yourself wherever you want to go. So if it's at the beach, visualize the wind. What does the sea taste like? What does the sand below your feet feels like? And just see yourself there. We're going to take a moment and just visualize what we want to see in the future. Make sure you are breathing. If you have thoughts that's just coming up, negative thoughts, tell those thoughts to go away for this moment. Your thoughts will listen to you. Tell your thoughts to go away. And focus on the breath if you're having negative thinking right now. Breathe in and breathe out. As we come to a close, let's focus on what we are thankful for and give thanks to the vision of yourself. And let's just be thankful this last minute. Let's just be thankful. I hope you enjoy this meditation. Do this meditation every single day as you rise and watch your dreams come true and your life change. Love, peace, and happiness. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.